In this video, I'll show you how to reorder blocks using the Layers panel in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you were on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the section where you want to change the order of each and every layer of the blocks to. Let's say I want to do this on this section. So from here, simply hover your mouse on a section, and at the top in the left corner, you will see the small hamburger for layers. You can also use the shortcut for L, and that will open up the layers. So from here, as you can see, I have 4 blocks. There are 3 images and 1 text block, and it will look like this. Now, what you can do to change the orders is from here on the right-hand side, you want to select a block. Now, let's say I want this image block to be behind the block that is on the left and the bottom right. So what you need to do is simply hold that block and drag it in between those images. And as you can see, it will change the order. You can also do the same thing for the text block. Let's say you want this to be in between these images in here. So just simply hold and drag in between them. Now, what you can also do within a layer is on the right-hand side, you can set the block to be hidden. So from here, if we set this block as hidden, then it will automatically hide. You can also do this on a different section. Let's say you want to do this on a product page. So at the top in the left corner, click on the layers again. And as you can see, it will show you the title of each and every product. You can change how you want the orders to be, but the only way that it will take effect is if they are stacking with each other. So as you can see on the section in here, I have 4 blocks that are stacking each other. You can just simply hold and drag to change the order of each and every block. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.